Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rock fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back. What is going on? Oh my God, crypto is taking off like anything. Why? What is this? People are just, confused. And for me, I'm like, guys, come on. What is left? It is those approvals. Everyone's waiting for it. We know it's that anticipation. The anticipation is both making it great and killing it like anything. I already see ASMR fan in the building. What is going on? Nice to see you. I did not know your face was doxxed, so I was just like in shock, and I am more in shock now. Nice to see you. How's everything? How's the A team? How's Awesome Austin? Love it. Oh, Bolo Tika, you made it. I love to see it, guys. But before we even start, it is hard to find crypto enthusiasts like yourself. I do ask, hit that subscribe. It does help the channel out. We're trying to grow the Ganja Goons gang like anything. We're going to go right into it with the market. Boom, boom, pow. Alrighty. Let me just check back in with the chat. I hope you and family are doing well. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too, ASMR fan. I definitely was caught off guard because I was under the impression the face was not doxxed. So I was like, what the heck? When did this happen? I love it. I love it. I'm glad we're all making new steps forward, I guess, in 2024. Hi, Goonies. It was a great tip. Dude, I even called it yesterday before the stream even started. I feel like this is the bottom before it goes off. I feel like if you don't get it now and it truly does take off, that's it. Otherwise, if it doesn't make these levels and you see it start crashing down, this is when it hits zero. So that was crazy. Hey, Cody. Cody. Oh, yes. No shilling meme coins today, but happy to be here to learn. Hey, Bolotika, you don't need to shill to be here. We're here to be educated. And if there is a meme coin you want us to look at, feel free, dude. We have no issues whatsoever. So, guys, I do want to talk about the market because it was crazy. Yesterday, we saw a dip in the global crypto market cap. We took a tiny dip, I say, but people were like, oh my God, all hell's broken loose. ETH back to 2,100. This is it, Teddy. There's no, get ready for the crash. I feel like there's so many people that want us to fail. And as this global crypto market cap keeps going up, as those spot ETF approvals come in, I think that's when that institutional money starts rolling in. And once people start seeing that realization, it's like, oh crap, I should have got in before 2 trillion market cap, because I'm looking at this. I'm looking 5 trillion, 10 trillion, right? 1.69 trillion is nothing to me still. I just want to reiterate that because sometimes we forget. The other fun thing, I did change to dark mode on coin market cap, so I know the goons may be confused, like, oh, what the hell is this? But we do have the same interface. It's just dark mode, so don't worry, it's still the same. So we love it. 1.69 trillion. I really hope this continues to rise into tomorrow as the dates continue to get to the end of January. At some point it has to happen. We're just waiting. 70 greed, love being greedy, and we'll see what that brings. So dominance about the same, both BTC and Ethereum, 51-16, and no real movement on the top 5 here: BNB, Solana, and XRP. So I was hoping BNB dominance continues to increase. I still anticipate BNB to get to 400. I still go super bullish in the bullish trend, because in reality, if they generate the most volume, I put BNB at close to like 1,000. I still believe we are super early on BNB. I expect BNB to have similar movements like Ethereum does. Let me see here. Happy New Year. Teddy and the Goons finally made the live stream this year. Mark Nobi, it was a pleasure talking to you today. I learned a lot. But I definitely had no idea. But guys, our own Goon, Mark Nobi, is a member of a crypto token, and he enlightened me on what they're doing. And I'm going to educate myself once I know what's going on. I'm gonna let you guys know too, but it sounds very interesting. MET token, he said. MET sounds very entertaining. Um, let me see here. Yeah, almost everything else was the same. Nothing really changed. AVAX, ADA, nice recovery. Let me go. SCI definitely had to, consolidate after yesterday's great pump. Almost everything consolidating today had a great pump yesterday. I mean, Bitcoin SV, we rode that futures all the way to what, 100 something? Like it was wild. We started seeing crazy numbers when it went to Bitcoin SV, and especially with that leverage trading, right? We went to like 109 guys, and we are now back at 83. So these there are things as coordinated pumps. So we'd be knocking on 1.5 quadrillion market cap soon. It could be happening very quickly. Be ready for takeoff. The guys that are in now are the ones that are gonna reap the benefits. It looks like Bonk is finally getting some positive movement after so much chaos this last few days. It was definitely wild. Let me see here. Celestia Arbitrum. Wait, so ASMR fan is Awesome Austin back to streaming crypto, or what's going on? Can you fill us in? Can you fill the goons in? Should we be doing something? I'm sure most goons are already filled in. I'm just slow to the game. uh Let me see what else. We're gonna continue on. Yes, he's streaming again at 10 a.m. PST. 10 a.m. PST. What the heck? What time is that for me? Oh, that's like, oh, okay, that's around noon. 11. I don't, yeah, 11. I'm EST. PST. Oh God, I don't even know the times anymore. It's what, 12? Oh God, here we go. 10 a.m. Yep. Yeah. Don't know the times anymore, man. No, that's one. Oh, that's 3 hours. Oh, embarrassing. My mom's been in the hospital for the past few months. So I've also been MIA too. She's been doing better now, though. Oh, that's great. That's great. I'm glad she's doing better. But it sucks. Is she out of the hospital now, or what do you mean by is she doing better? It's definitely great that she's doing better. Sucks that she was in the hospital though. Not sure. Just same time he was. Oh, okay, yeah. Then that's 1 p.m. Yeah, I got you. I was like, oh, did he change the time on me? Oh man, that's very interesting. Circling back, just want to talk about the market real quick. BTC and ETH both had like great bullish movements yesterday. We saw BTC at like a 60-35 like split. We saw ETH at 75-33. We did go back to normality now. We are looking at BTC almost a 50-50 split there. No real change, but Ethereum guys continue to be bullish, and it is leaning towards Bitcoin week. So even though dominance didn't change this week, it is leaning towards Bitcoin week. So it's going to be interesting. Um, Let me see. Oh, ASMR fan, you got to check out my other YouTube channel. We started up a reaction channel. If you ever have time, you gotta plug this in here. Let me plug this in. Explore the weird with Teddy Ganja. You're gonna be exploring. Let me tell you, there's a lot to be exploring. We got hours and hours of footage. Come check it out. It is definitely entertainment on a different scale that is not crypto, unfortunately. But hey, you can still hang out with me. Explore the weird. So yeah, we talk about that. We plug it in. Usually I do it at the end, but let me do it during the beginning, just in case. Just in case. Um, so yeah, that was it for crypto futures. I'm gonna move on to the news, and you guys do know the news be getting bland. It's like everyone's just anticipating this Bitcoin ETF approval, and it just doesn't seem to be happening. And people they get rowdy. That's just basically what happens when we go, oh, what is this now? What are we supposed to do? So um this is the one thing that people are not truly validating their sources, and we're getting like these mixed news reviews. Like some people throwing random dates at us, they come and go. I've heard it all, but here's another one. Hey, it's going to come mid to late next week. That trading could begin as early as Thursday or Friday next week. So now people are saying next week. It's like, dude, we've heard everything. No one truly knows the dates. I personally haven't seen any concrete evidence of true dates listed where they're like, it has to be before this date. It is just anticipation and potential some insider knowledge, but who those leaks are coming from is unfortunately unknown. So we're just going off of like, trust me, bro, advice. So be very careful when you guys are going into these next few weeks, because some of you may get rocked, because the news, like yesterday, small sell off, even for Solana, drainer attack, right? And that brought Solana down a little bit too. We have to be very careful because the news can really rock the BTC price very quickly. So, guys, stay informed, stay educated, because everyone's anticipating it. I'm anticipating it. BTC keeps going up. Ethereum, pretty much, I do expect some consolidation around this price, but BTC, we've seen before, it can take off far more than Ethereum at times. So I went through the entire article. I understand there's so much pressure being put on the SEC. But in the end, only time will tell. And I don't want you guys to go crazy trading just because of clickbaity articles. Make sure when the day comes, because I may not be streaming. You may not, you may get the news and you're like, yo, I don't know what to do. Now everything's booming. You need to already be in positions before the approval. So that's what we're doing here. I love the article though. Very, very interesting. The other fun one I had was Certic, crypto hacks being down. So 2022, we saw crypto hacks surge like anything. And really 2022 also brought in a lot of crypto investors, right? So we knew uh, that people were getting wrecked, just like anything with Solana. Right now, Solana drainer attacks have surged like a lot. I forget what the actual number is. I know we read an article on it recently, but it surged a lot since previous weeks. And people are like, oh my god, people are losing Solana in 2022. People were losing Ethereum. People were losing BNB. Uh, literally everything. What channel? Ha ha ha. That's awesome. Wait, am I getting these on delay? Oh my god, StreamYard is lagging for me for some reason. I am getting all kinds of mixed messages here. Let me get caught up with the chat. Let me see. Not sure. All right, she's been admitted 4 times in the hospital this year. Her stay each time was 2 to 3 months long due to surgery complications and recovery. Long story short, she had a quadruple bypass surgery. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is wild. That is wild. Yeah, I unfortunately got the what is it, the memo late. I feel like I was the last person to realize everyone was doing alternative channels other than crypto. I'm like, why? Crypto's still booming. We're still here. Goon Gang's still strong, making educated decisions. And they're like, Teddy, you gotta do more. And I was like, all right, well, let me look into what else to do. And I got into like conspiracy theory area. So that's what that entire channel mostly started off as. And then like slowly we started branching out to other categories like scary, spiritual, um, life. It gets crazy. It's really I've seen a lot, and now I question everything. I've changed. I've changed. Let me tell you, things have happened. So the end of it all is 2023, 51% down compared to 2022, guys. That is amazing. That is like, dude, people are smartening up. People are using crypto the way it's supposed to be, and we're getting to safer ways, right? We've had still some hacks like the ledger signing hack. There was an exploit. So we have to still be very. I'm looking forward to checking your new channel. The new channel is already there. It's Explore the Weird. You can check it out anytime, buddy. You can just go over there, subscribe. It should be in my profile too. If you click on the um, profile, you can see the other channel as well. Wait, Epstein list +8 -10 feet creatures in Miami. Wait a second. This is kind of like the stuff I look at and on my new channel. Oh my god, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. So yeah, I thought this was very impressive because as we get more secure and the what is it, the news of hacks, the news of crypto being the wild west, this starts simmering away. We get that uh you know that solidification, if you will. It's like we're building that foundation, if you will, of just people trusting crypto as an alternative to monetary currency. So I definitely loved seeing that Certic gave that report. So we got to keep talking about crypto, but unfortunately, the CEO of Tether does not seem to agree. So I went through, I'm trying to understand what he's saying, and I do now kind of see it his way and do agree. So crypto doesn't need a blockchain or a token. And I truly, now that I've understand his take or their take, sorry, because actually I wasn't sure if Pawalo was a boy or girl name, so I'm gonna just say their take. Uh, I thought it was very nice, because in the end, it's that technology that's behind digital currencies and not really cryptocurrency as a whole. Cryptocurrency, in the end, is giving us the ability for us to basically have our own way of trading a digital token of sorts, right? And it doesn't matter which chain of that token represents, you still get that technology that's exposed to you. And the guy is seeing more than just values of those metaphorical tokens. He's now putting it to like, oh, look at the tech that it needs. We don't need um, anything it just makes it appear like the tech that's behind the issuing of the tokens, the multiple chains that have all come in there, the decentralization, like literally he's talking about that technology being the main bread and butter of the greatness of crypto. So I thought that was very interesting takeaway, especially from a guy that his reserves are real. Trust me, his reserves are real. Gold magic card, long time no see. There we go. There we go. HNY to you. Oh my god, he missed you guys. Good to hear Austin's back. Dude, I literally, now I know the time, so we're gonna get the goons over there as well. I'll give them a reminder. We've also had a lot of craziness too. I stopped at my local convenience store. They were installing a crypto ATM. Adoption is here. Dude, they installed a Bitcoin ATM in one of my gas stations. I went there like the next month and the Bitcoin ATM was gone. And I'm like, what the hell happened? I was ready. I was gonna try and figure it out. I was gonna try and figure it out. Oh my god, Teddy, send me 1 million and I'll send you $100. Happy New Year. What is this? What is this? What's going on? Waddy, nice to see you. Oh man, we're talking about the Tether CEO, man. He gone crazy. He gone crazy. So I did see this listing thing. And this is my final news segment before we go into the charts. And I know everyone loves the charts. I want to know where the price is going so I can make the educated guesses with our great AI indicators algorithms built by our very own SK. So we are going to talk about the craziness that we are looking at. I did get that fib retracement as well. That we'll talk about that during the charts. But last thing is, I saw this listing thing, and I was like, "What the hell is this? Radium, like Radium, Solana, Radium? Like the only swap that currently most people gravitate towards for." Solana, so similar to Uniswap in the Ethereum days, I'm starting to see Radium protocol give me those types of vibes for Solana. So I was very impressed that these guys are making moves onto exchanges as well. I'm not ruling them out, but I do expect them to be like that Uniswap, Pancake Swap type token. And Radium is going to be an interesting one as well. So I am intrigued, and I want to see where this ends up going. But I did quickly want to touch on that. All right, all right. And with that that being said, we got to talk about the chats. Chats, Teddy. I need to look at the chats. It's been so long, and it's only been a day, but I still want to know. I still want to know. So yesterday seemed like craziness, and we did predict. Hey, I expect another flip, quick flips potentially, because we're entering the territory where Bitcoin may not have a true consolidation that's the within the thousands. It's not going to consolidate only at 44,000, right? So we may have a broader range, and that's exactly what we're seeing. We're seeing such a wide range for BTC, where the fib retracement, guys, a fib retracement where normally you charted for a day and you can kind of pinpoint, hey, it breaks one, maybe two levels in this uncertainty. When you have stages like this, you're going to see breaking of multiple fib retracement levels, right? So when it comes to Bitcoin, and now as that certainty pinpoints, as we get that more anticipation, especially now we're talking about those approvals on the ETFs, you're seeing that finite you know unknown really get defined, and you're going to see hopefully more consolidation at one level, hopefully this 0.786 to bounce off, and we'll see what the end uh target is for Bitcoin. But I currently do have fib retracement still set at the old retracement level. So I charted the old high and the last low in the last time frame, and we're still above the 0.618 level. So we know the 0.618 level is super critical when it comes to what's going to happen with the price. If we stay above the 0.618 level, we close above, we anticipate that we are going to go to 47,000, right? Usually anything above 44, I'll take it. But the end goal being what we've seen in the past, we have to hit the 47,459. So I do anticipate that's going to happen. I did think we're going to have a lot more consolidation than just this 1-2 days that we had. For some reason do fear the next few days may give us more consolidation levels. But in the end, as long as we're above 40,000, I'll take it. Yes, it may not be perfectly 40,000, but for the most part, it's the best thing. It's the best thing. There's no risk to most of us if the bullish trend continues. But Andean oscillator shows bullish trend, quick flip, and I'll go over to Ethereum too, because yesterday we were like, hey, Ethereum, if it doesn't close above the 0.618, we may see a downward trend. So, guys, I did chart the 0.618 level on the previous trend level, and look how nicely this plays out. It did not close above the 0.618 level. We closed below, and we saw Ethereum dip a few levels. So, right, we had level of support on the fib retracement at 2,115, and even the triple G indicator puts it at 2,115. And the triple G indicator has given that long position since October. We've had this long. So this was a long time to ride it out. And now we see that quick flip. So I also expect if the Ethereum maxis come in, they help drive this price up. This could also be a quick flip, similar to what happened to BTC yesterday, right? So we saw the red and we were like, oh my God, this is it. But I was like, hey, don't worry. And I said it on the stream, like this could be the last opportunity we have before we see takeoff. So that's I think exactly what we're seeing, and I love it. 48K to 52K. If we go back up, Wadi, I have it at, let's see, 60K in theory if it's true bull run. If not, I do have it at 52K. So 2.618 puts it at 51,963. So I can agree with the statement. I can agree. If we drop 36 to 31K, 36 to 31K, yeah, I can agree with that too. I can see levels of support at 36 to 31K. We wrote that entire thing out, and you know how quickly we went, and just as quickly as you go up, sometimes it's as quickly as you fall down, and we've seen that multiple times in BTC. So I do not disagree with this statement. And by the way, Waddy, how are things? What are you up to? I've heard you've taken off like anything. People are telling me you're doing spaces now. You're all over the place. I love it. I'd love to hear this. I love to hear this. Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. So yeah, Ethereum. Okay, so BNB. I also want to talk about BNB because we did chart BNB very initially, and I'm still anticipating BNB to go above and beyond like 400. The bullish trend for BNB has been there for so long. It's just been hurdled by horrible news with Binance and CZ, this and that. They fell down a little, but I do expect them to continue to climb. In the in levels, I put it at 400. In reality, 340 is where I would anticipate taking profits. Anything above that. I also have Solana. So here's that greatness where everyone's like, oh, damn it, nothing's gonna happen. So I expect more news to help move this chart up and down very quickly. But the actual Andean oscillator still shows a bullish trend almost across all the other time frames. You are seeing it is slightly going bearish. You are seeing Andean oscillator go narrow. But this is the thing. We have so much positive news going on for crypto. I do feel even if it narrows, it'll be that quick flip and it'll continue to go up. Any alpha TG sirs, Teddy? You mentioned I could reach out to you yesterday to learn more about your charting, etc. Dude, I have been good. How about yourself and the family? My family's been, I've been sick like anything, dude. I have like a 5 week cold or something. It literally makes no sense. I'm like week 4 into like the 5 week cold. It just never stops. I'm just constantly congested. I have no idea what I did wrong. I'm like, why is this happening to me? At my work, chilling at the beach with the Teddy show. Dude, what the hell? What kind of work is at a beach? And oh my God, you're just like Cody. Cody gets to chill at work and just watch me too. I'm like, dude, what? I wish I got something like that where I could just relax and just watch. Wait, I would just get bored watching myself. Like, I live myself, bro. I am me. All right. Any Alpha TGs, bro? Just reach out to me on Telegram at TIGANJA. And I'll add you to the Ganja Goons gang one. That's where we do the futures and everything. It's pretty fun in there. We've been like today we got like a 300% return, and really the leverage trading, especially in the TG, has been taking off like anything because people are sharing their plays, and we're all trying to be the same thing. We all want to make money on the day. And Wadi, you try to make that $200 every day, and now I'm kind of following that same footsteps. I kind of want to make $200 every day, so I hop in there. Me, Coochie Boy, John Crispala, SK. Now we got Ben Spada. We have so many guys coming in just to make those informed plays and just cross check with the goons. It's like, hey, how does this chart look? Hey, what do you guys think about this? And it's nice to get that feedback. And if we can help um, with those informed decisions, we are, and it's free. We're not charging, we're not putting a paywall in order for you to get this. None of that. This is true. Uh, Shit, can't delete the message. Didn't see yours. Okay, nice. I have been killing it, dude. How have you been killing it? Tell me. What's the secret? Because I am not killing it. My YouTube algorithm says, Teddy, no good. You continue to suffer. And I say, YouTube, how many more channels you need? Wait, Wadi, did you subscribe to my other channel, buddy? Explore the weird. Explore the weird. Oh man, the decline of XRP. I swear, I'm living it. I'm living the dream before my very eyes. I want to call this a blip, but really, it's very sad that XRP suffered the way it did. But 68 is where I would put it. I mean, trading. Yeah, I know you're killing it, trading, dude. I know you're killing. I've been seeing your leverage plays as well, and I'm like, dude, Wadi and even Coochie Boy, some of his ones, I'm just like mind blown. And we are trading a lot of these guys. They go into leverage trading and they're trading, for the week, for the month. Some of our plays, we're in it for 1 minute, we're in it for 10 seconds, and we're in and out, and we made our money, and that's it. Like, so we got to send me the other channel. It should be on my thing, but let me see. Explore this one. Go to explore the weird. It's right there. I'll put it in the chat too. Explore the weird. Uh, and it's just as crazy as this one. And we got some craziness going in there. Started off as a conspiracy channel, slowly turned into reaction channel and more. We got a lot of goons, a lot of supporters there. Whole different audience than the crypto audience, but still very interesting. I appreciate it, buddy. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Got to plug it in. Got to plug it in. We're growing. Now I got 2 channels monetized. We're going to make twice the money I said. And then I realized, oh, that's not how it works at all, because now I got to put in twice the effort. That's hard to do when you have a baby. I say baby, but she is a toddler now. She's 16 months. Oh boy, oh boy. Um Almost everything else meme coin wise has gone down. I've seen Shiba Inu get some positive news action, but I feel like that's the Shiba Inu way. They're gonna pump up their price a little bit. But we still got that short signal that came in, and that short signal came in real wide. So I don't expect Shiba Inu to truly have that positive price action. I still believe the utility hasn't caught up to the price. So I think we may continue to see this go down. But in theory, if I was expecting positive movement, I would want it to break 401. If it could break 401, I would say, okay, Shiba Inu is back. All right, Pepe, almost same thing. Shib is dead, bro. Yeah, dude. Shiba and but look at the believers. There's so many believers in Shiba Inu too. And that's the thing. And I even have a short coming in for Dogecoin. It's like they did the whole, oh, we sent something to the moon and then that was it. Okay, now it's gone to the moon. Now what? Oh wait, infinite supply. Oh wait, now what? So I feel like this band could widen for Doge as well. Even when it comes to Pepe, I went into that TG. It's like there's nothing going on with the community, straight community driven token. How much more are we going to see of Pepe? Short arb dumping now. Oh yeah, really? Oh man, I gotta jump on that right after this. Then I didn't even check. But what about this? Have you started shorting Bonk? We got the short on Bonk just last week, and Triple G indicator caught up now, and Triple G indicator put it now. So there was a crazy profit taking on Bonk as well. Let me see. I'm just checking Wadi's thing. Dude, it's like I do expect crypto to come back, and when it does, people are gonna want to know the things. But the meme coin space is very hard now. I feel like unless it's zero tax, it's not even worth going into these meme coins. It's always the same old, same old. Hey, it's Bolotika. Bolotika, add me, so I can move you to the Goon Gang chat. Oh, I got you. I got you. I'm adding you. I'm adding you, buddy. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. This member is unknown. I have added. Welcome, Bolotika. All right, we got Bolotika in the Telegram. Wow. Welcome, Bolotika. Nice, dude. Yeah, so you're gonna see we do some crazy informed decision making there. Oh yeah, dude, what the hell? Arbitrum is going down like anything. What is going on with Arbitrum? Do I have that on here? Arb? No. All right, let me look at Arb. ARB. I may just ride this out. Arbitrum futures, Mexi. Oh, on the 1 minute, see? Let me change my time frame. So this is the thing. We're doing futures, see? Oh yeah, see how much of a dip it took? The short came in here. Imagine you took your short in the 1 minute at this level. This is how great, like, guys, I don't even have to think anymore. I'm tired of thinking by myself, right? It's like I know the indicators I like. I know what tells me whether it's a bullish or bearish trend. We charted it all, our own indicator built by SK, Triple G indicator. It does the thinking for us. This would have been a great position. Look at this. Look at this. Damn. So it is widening a little, so it may continue to go down as we're seeing this. But imagine, I took it at $2. Yeah, see, I could totally see that. There was another short that came in right at $2. So if you took the mother one, like that's it, bro. That is a great short to take. And this is why I'm saying when it comes to leverage trading, it is gonna be quick. You're not in it for months at a time. You're in it like a second, 2 seconds out. Take profit, stop limit, done. You got so here we go. We said it was going down. We see that shorts, and this is the triple G indicator. This is how nicely it works. Continues to go down. See, and that was a good play. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I really do. I really do. Oh man, that was a good one. That really was. That was a real good one. Wow. Did not. I love it. I love it. I appreciate that like anything, dude. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That was good. And now Bolotica is in. Leverage trading can be a bit more stable and steady if done right compared to the meme coins. And that's what I need right now. And the thing is, if you watch Coochie Boy, Wadi, John Crispala, these guys, we may get the long position coming in now and ride this out to the long. So I'm going to take profit now and see just in case. Let's see. Yeah, this is pretty good, bro. I appreciate that. Damn, that was a good call. So let's see. We'll continue to monitor, but yeah, this is exactly what we're doing on leverage trading. We're not looking at the crazy 1 day time frames. We're truly looking at what's happening for the minute, for the second. I need to know. I need to know, bro. And there's been times I was up like 300% and then liquidated all in the same tick. I'm like, here we go. And then, liquidated. I'm like, what happened? What happened? It's like you got to know where your liquidation price is so you don't get rocked. So there you go. It recovered back to the $1.92. So if I had taken that long position at $1.89, I'm riding that back up in that same minute. So it's like, boom, I made money going down, I made money going up. It's just constant, constant, constant. And the thing is, you're gonna go crazy doing this, right? So you have to like set the limits like Wadi does. You have to set the limits like John Crispala does. And John Crispala, he goes thousands and thousands of dollars, right? He's now quit his entire job. He's fully into leverage trading as his primary source of income. So we trust these guys. This is their life. This is something we want to get to. So wow, $1.93. So we may continue to see this pump up. So I love it. I love it. Real time, real time. Um, the other thing, Wadi, is it true that you can't actually like what I've been seeing is there's been YouTubers or videos recommended to me on crypto guys that do like real trades on the chat with like thousands of dollars. Like they put in 20 grand into an exchange and they show themselves either up like 40 or 50 grand or down 40 or 50 grand. Is that legit, or you think they're just doing paper trading? I wanted to know. I wanted to find out from other YouTubers, but I feel like it's hard. Maybe they are just paper trading. Maybe paper trading is the way to go. Do you do paper trading? I used to have a paper trading thing. Pine. Da, da, da. Do, 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 do. But yeah, this is great. Arb, great. It's legit. Wait, what's legit? The moon? The moon? What he's like, Teddy, I understand everything and you're not getting it. I have seen the news. Wait, I need to go over to Goon Time. So we've looked at all the charts. If there's anything you guys want me to look at, do let me know. Otherwise, I go bye-bye. I only stream Monday through Thursday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, every Monday through Thursday. So, and Crypto do live trading, and wait, what's MM? It's legit. The Moon and Crypto do live trading. I feel like you are telling me something, but I'm too dumb. Thoughts on Cosmos, Adam? They have 10% APY staking on Coinbase. I love Adam. Big fan of Adam. I shake my head no, but I love Adam. I love Adam. Big fan. Big fan. We have seen Adam take off. It's at $10 right now. $8 was where we had level of resistance at that time, but I believe we got in around 6. I think I took profit around 8, and then it continued, right? We got into the tens. I think this is still super early because I have charted Atom all the way from, guys, 44. 44 we have charted Atom. So $10 versus 44. Atom is a great plan. On top of that, you're telling me Coinbase is going to give me even more Atom for staking it? Yeah, I'm 100% down. I love that. I love that. But one thing is, I'm looking for that opportunity to get in. We do have the long position on the triple G indicator. Andean oscillator is widening for the short. I hope it is a quick turnover. If not, do expect some consolidation before the next leg up. But if you're in it for the long run, hey, long term, $40. Anything you accumulate now is just money in your pocket. So keep it going. Oh, yes, these are the YouTubers that okay, I get it. I'm so sorry. Yes. Yes, so it's legit. They really are. They really are trading with $500,000 plus. They really just win and lose money like that. And that's okay to stream. There's nothing wrong with doing that, or is there any legalities to it is what I'm trying to figure out, because when I first started crypto, I had some crypto lawyers that once told me like it could be like a gray territory when doing live trades, and especially when you're not like a financial advisor and stuff. So that's why I was confused on it. I'm like, oh, I wonder if you can actually do this, or if it's like you're gonna get banned for doing live trades or something, if it's like gambling or something. I don't know. I don't know. It's an interesting thought. All right, I'm not seeing anything else, Cosmos. I'll have issues with it, but no. Yeah, like you'll have issues if you randomly start showing people like, "Hey, look at me. Here's 20 grand down the gutter." Well, guess what, buddy? I have done that multiple times with my DGen wallet, loaded up with 5 ETH and watched it go down the gutter. I also did some other play. I did some crazy horrible play this week too. I did what did I buy? I went off stream and I got myself liquidated in something else to go buy. Yeah, and it's not even trending anymore. Steamboat Willie. Steamboat Willie. Bro, I bought these freaking NFTs for like point 0.3 ETH. Point 0.3 ETH, and these things dropped all the way to point 1, bro. Point 1. I thought it was the coolest thing. I was like, oh, I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I'm gonna grab 2. Got wrecked real hard. Freaking NFTs, man. Yeah, and my wife was there already saying the same thing. Oh, there you go, buying NFTs again. I'm like, oh, but it looks cool. It's like DOG, the copyright. And they're like, nope. I grabbed the coin. I grabbed $70 worth of the coin. I had $120 worth I could have pulled out. And I'm like, no, it's gonna keep going up. And now I have $20 worth of coin. I should have just pulled out, bro. Freaking guys wrecking me. Saw it run for a few hundred K to 13 mil market cap. I know. I know. I don't even know why. I'm like, oh, 13 million market cap. That's nothing. This thing can go even crazier. Look at this art. Why would you not want this? It's Mickey Mouse. It's Disney. It's got controversy. No, no. But yeah, I'll have issues because of my situation, but not live trading. I'm wondering if it's worth doing live trading, like, or something, but maybe I'll look at that at a different date. But yeah, this is another thing I've considered as well. All right, I think that is it. Yeah, so I tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I have literally suffered, so you don't have to. Uh, yeah. So these two, 625 and 1065. I got it because I'm like, dude, the guy's smoking. It's like it was a calling. It's like I have to get this one. It just speaks to me. I was literally trying to find people live trade the other night. Oh my god. Live trading the other night so I can follow their calls, Teddy. Follow their calls and I will be I'm a bee. I'm a bee. Oh man, all these 3D apes I bought on the Degen wallet and turned out to be nothing. Oh, I got my third collection coming. I can't wait for that too. Entstown. Did these Entstown ever take off? Did they have a floor price 0.01? Oh man, we're gonna make it all back. And then yeah, Pepe Liberation Army, the original Wagmies, the first NFTs I ever bought. Wagme. Scott Herman did a great job. No, need to learn, sir. Okay, fair enough. We'll learn together, buddy, if I can figure it out. But yeah, this is another one. Very interesting. All right, guys, I think that is it. I am out. I will see you guys again next week, Monday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget about me. In the meantime, do look out for more videos on Explore the Weird. We are ramping up over there as well. I want to get you guys as much content as I can. And it's even today, just 4 hours ago, we released some cringe content, and it really is cringy. I gotta tell you, it really is cringy. I'm also trying to spook myself, make myself laugh. There's all these things. I'm trying to react to. So we'll see where we get to. And with that, I leave you. Bridge to Telos from any chain on Rocket Swap. Okay. I still 50-30. You still have 53D apes too? Oh my god, that's hilarious, bro. What are we supposed to do with these apes? Like, I just want to burn them at this point. I'm gonna just start sending them to the burn wallet, but there's not much we can do. There really isn't. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, guys. I leave you be. Stay safe, stay strong. Most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get rapped. Yeah. Don't get rapped. Yeah. Don't get rapped. Yeah. Don't get rapped. Yeah. Get informed.